Dear friends, the very first question that arises in my mind is that can humans fix climate change? And today I stand before you to address one of the most critical challenges of our time: climate change. It's not just an environmental issue. It's a global crisis that affects every aspect of our lives, from food and water security to economic stability and social well being. But let me assure you, as daunting as it may seem, we as humans have the power and responsibility to fix climate change. The evidence is overwhelming. The Earth's climate is changing, and the consequences are becoming increasingly apparent. Extreme weather events, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and disruptions to ecosystems are just some of the alarming signs we witness daily. But despite the grim realities, there is always hope. And first and foremost, we must acknowledge that climate change is a result of human activities: the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial emissions, and excessive consumptions have released greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the planet to warm. This means that if humans are the cause, we can be the solution as well. The time for action is now. We must adopt a multifaceted approach that involves governments, businesses, communities, and individuals. Governments must implement and enforce ambitious policies to reduce carbon emissions and transitions to renewable energy sources. Investments in sustainable infrastructure, public transportation, and clean technologies are crucial steps in this direction. Business also plays a vital role, embracing eco-friendly practices, adopting circular economy models, and prioritizing sustainable production can significantly mitigate the impact of human activities on the environment. Corporate leaders must recognize that sustainability is not just a buzzword, but an essential aspect of doing business responsibly. At the community level, we must work together to promote environmental awareness and education. It starts with each one of us making conscious choices in our daily lives, reducing waste, conserving water and energy, and supporting eco friendly products and services. Small actions can add up to significant positive changes when multiplied across millions of individuals. Innovations and technologies are potent allies in our fight against climate change. We must invest in research and development to create breakthrough in renewable energy, carbon capture, and sustainable agriculture. The solutions are within our reach. We need to harness our collective creativity and determination to bring them to a fruition. Furthermore, we must address climate justice. The impact of climate change are not evenly distributed, and vulnerable communities often bear the brunt of its consequences. It's our moral obligation to ensure that transition to a sustainable future is fair and inclusive, leaving no one behind. Fixing climate change requires global cooperation. We must transcend borders and come together as united international communities, collaborating on global scale to share knowledge, resources, and expertise. Certainly, it will accelerate process and strengthen our chances of success. And we are aware in Kashmir for long 1.5 months. There are unpredictable things happening. It used to be a complete hot zone in these 2 months, but we are seeing tremendous short-lived changes where there is excess of rainfall at certain places, and at certain places there is no rainfall at all, and a lot of imbalances are occurring, and there are many possibilities uh, having flood situation. So I would like to say I would like to conclude my talk with the words that my fellow humans, we cannot afford to be complacent or indifferent. The challenges posed by climate change demand our urgent and unwavering attention. But together we have the capacity to heal our planet. And I think this togetherness of the humans have taken the human race to the level that at which level we are right now. It is that we can share our ideas, and we can have the reasons to cooperate with each other at certain points, and that cooperation has certainly made us better than any other species that's living on this planet. So let us embrace the opportunity to build a sustainable, thriving future for generations to come. We owe it to ourselves, to all living beings, and to the beauty and diversity of our precious planet.